This is Mike from 3D Autosports. This video will showcase some of the features in the Track Builder collection. The Track Builder collection was set up to be a modular track set where you can start stamping pieces together very easily. Another feature that's included with this package is the extra layers that each track section has. So by default, you'll be able to place a track section down and it will have a railing and a power pole and power line setup. But if you require to have some sort of a different one, if you want to have it going up a hill or a cliffside, you could start enabling different layers and hiding others to have different features for that. So we would turn off the right side of the grass here and you would have this new section. Now if you wanted to also make the track sort of wider, allow the player to venture out past the track space, you could also disable the railing. So let's crack open a new scene here, and what we're going to do is show one of the cool features that we have with this track section. So let's go ahead and just put a basic short section down right away and set it for 0, 0, 0. Now what we want to do now is start snapping objects together. Now it's very easy to just take another section, hold down V, and just snap it into the next object. Very simple. But we wanted to add something that to make life a lot easier. So what we'll do is we'll go back to the original object, and we already know we want to have another straight section on here. So what we do is we expand the existing short section and we click on the road connector and just go ahead and drag the piece that you want into the road connector. It'll automatically line itself up to the next location. So let's go ahead and drag a left bend section into the next section. It'll automatically snap itself in the location. So here's where the advantage of doing the snapping comes in really handy. Now if you were just dragging in, or let's say we want to do in just another short straight section, we'd have to go through and rotate it, which isn't a big deal, but I find that after a while the precision actually starts going off. Like the XYZ rotations are decimals different, so this is done in an effort to try to make life easier. So now I've rotated it, now I've got to go ahead and snap it into the location and make sure it's lined up. Fine, it's in there, and now I'm actually starting to get some just a little bit off, like 0002. So if I go ahead and delete that, let's go ahead and expand and connect the short section into here. There we go. Now it's lined up as perfect as we can get it. The package comes with several prefabs, and it also comes with 2 example scenes. One example scene is a static lit version, or with light mapping, to showcase that all the light features that you can set. It also includes 2 different skyboxes. So if we crack open sample track B, you can see that's this one's using real-time shadows for its example to try to showcase the 2 different ways that you can use lighting and what's available to you. If you have any questions, please contact me at 3dautosports.com.